Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best hand blender is All-Clad Cordless Hand Blender. The All-Clad Cordless Hand Blender offers the high performance of a premium corded immersion blender without the inconvenience of a cord. Bring exceptional versatility to the kitchen with the All-Clad KZ800D51 Cordless Immersion Blender. Because there is no cord to deal with and the shaft separates from the body of the blender, this may be one of the easiest immersion blenders to clean. The removable shaft also allows for storage in small spaces where the full blender may not fit. It should be noted, however, that the components of this blender must be hand-washed. This is the cordless version of the blender that we previously reviewed. This is a powerful immersion blender with a variable 5-speed setting that allows you to fine-tune the texture of your refried beans, soups, or pureed vegetables. Because the blade shroud provides ample space, you can even use this to quickly chop nuts. This cordless model has the same power as the previously reviewed blender, but you'll pay a premium for the convenience of not having to deal with a cord. It includes a charging base that also serves as upright storage housing. While this does not include any accessories that you might find with other blenders, a mini chopper and a whisk can be purchased separately if you require them. Number 2 in our side is Cuisinart SB179 Hand Blender. It has a button for continuous or pulse blending, as well as variable speed control, so you can choose the exact speed that works best for you rather than relying on a preset speed. On the front of the blender, there are only 2 buttons, a on button and a lock button, which must be depressed before the blender will turn on but can then be released. While this may be a safety feature, we found it difficult to use. It includes a jar for blending smoothies or making mayonnaise, a chopper attachment for making salsas and chopping vegetables, and a whisk attachment for making whipped cream or beating eggs. Equipped with a 300-watt DC motor that delivers maximum power with minimum noise, the SmartStick variable speed hand blender switches from low to high speed at the turn of a dial. The long stainless steel shaft reaches deep to blend in bowls, pots and pitchers, while the mixing/measuring cup, chopper/grinder and chef's whisk make short work of a wide variety of food prep tasks. From pureeing soup to emulsifying mayonnaise to whipping meringues, this hand blender consistently delivers chef-caliber results. For details, let's watch more. Third in our best hand blender list is Vitamix Immersion Blender. Vitamix blenders have a stellar reputation for both professional and home use, and the immersion blender lives up to the hype. Thicker soups, sauces, and smoothies can be difficult to get completely smooth, and some immersion blenders can overheat as a result, but this handheld blender has the power and durability to handle tough jobs and large batch sizes every time. It has 5 speeds and can run continuously for up to 4 minutes before shutting down. Finally, the bottom heat-safe shield prevents this blender from damaging your non-stick cookware. It was easy to use and clean when tested, and the 5-foot-long cord helped it reach between pots and distant outlets. This specially designed bell guard reduces suction and allows ingredients to flow more easily through the blades, while also protecting pots, pans, and your favorite blending containers from scratches. This ergonomic wand allows you to use one hand to operate the blender while using the other to add ingredients. Create your ideal textures with whole food ingredients, from chunky tomato sauce to creamy smoothies. For details, let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Mueller Ultra Stick Hand Blender. If any immersion blenders are out of your price range, Mueller's Stick Blender is a great alternative. However, you do not give up any power in exchange for a lower price. This handheld blender has a full copper motor and 500 watts of power, making it ideal for making baby food purees, smoothies, smooth soups and sauces, and even homemade peanut or almond butter. According to customers, everything about this blender feels sturdy, durable, well-made, and comparable to blenders costing twice as much. It comes with a milk frother for the ultimate upgrade to homemade lattes and a whisk attachment for whipping cream, beating eggs, or making homemade mayo for sandwiches. Cleaning the blender and attachments is as simple as running them under warm water or putting them in the dishwasher. Last in this list is KitchenAid Pro Line Hand Blender. This simple 2-speed blender has a removable blending arm for easier cleaning and comes from a well-known brand of kitchen appliances and gadgets. The blender doesn't come with a lot of extras or frills that raise the price, so it's quite affordable despite the high quality. It includes a handy blending jar with a lid that can be used for storage before or after blending foods. The soft grip handle is comfortable to hold when blending, no matter how much you need to blend. Quickly and easily blend, puree, and crush all of your favorite ingredients with this 2-speed hand blender. Great for smoothies, soups, hummus, dressings, sauces, and so much more. Blend ingredients for smoothies, milkshakes, soups, hummus, and so much more. Offers a non-slip and comfortable grip when continuously blending ingredients. Soft grip handle offers a non-slip and comfortable grip while blending.